Good morning. My name is Ganesh Sekate. I'm the Director of Product Marketing for the Video Interface Products. What we are demonstrating here is a concept of IoT dock. It is made out of the Synaptics Astra SL1680 and Navarro, which is our latest DisplayLink docking solution. So what you see here is Navarro connected to a traditional DisplayLink dock over the USB cable. So as a combination of Astra and Navarro acts as an IoT dock, which predominantly is deployed on any enterprise applications, which can do certain applications, enabling like the computational assistant to a PC, which is downloading certain apps and the computation to the Astra. Secondly, Astra has its own operating system running on there. It's a Linux operating system with the graphical interface Western, where you can develop your own apps, which can be directly driven on those connected monitors.
So you're making the docks more smarter?
Yes, absolutely. That's because it has its own intelligence right now. Without a host PC connected, you can have your own apps and any of the user interactions can run on that. For example, you can run certain small language or large language model where it can provide you a user installation guide or some securities or the server maintenance type of applications you can run on that and communicate with the user.
Is that the splash screen when the user is not using the computer? Is that what it is?
That's another application where an IT service can deploy certain splash screen or a user information remotely on this dock, and that can be like used as a message to convey the users.
And the other function is that it's kind of like a full computer potentially. You can run a lot of stuff on it, right?
Absolutely. It is a computer. It runs a Linux operating system on that, and then there's the Western graphical user interface. You can develop your own apps on that, which can run on that without having any assistance from the cloud service or from the host PC. My colleague Lucas is going through these demos and show all the use cases for you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Łukasz Spinczek. I'm just here to present you our new IoT DisplayLink docking station based on Navarro chip and Astra. So it can work. It's probably from driving desktops, normal desktops like my personal machine with Ubuntu. So here, let's wait until it blink. Yeah, so it's normal desktop.
This is DisplayLink.
Yeah, this is DisplayLink on Navarro chip, capable to run 4 times 4K, monitor 4K. And now I just switch to Astra, which can also work as a normal PC and drive the same amount of displays through Navarro.
So you have the DisplayLink driver?
Yes, the DisplayLink driver is installed here, and by default Astra comes with 1 output, but when using DisplayLink you can extend it to 2 or 4 if you really need. So as you can see, this is normal application. I have for sample application spreadsheet, Google spreadsheet.
And the full performance of DisplayLink?
Yep, exactly. What I also want to show you is our SDK that we deliver. It's a other variant of our driver that can work for embedded platforms. So I will now turn off the driver and I will start the SDK sample application that can be used in embedded environments that are limited to and have no GPU. So you can render your content or video without a GPU to Navarro docks. So I will start now our application.
So there's space in there to run all kinds of applications?
Yes, whatever you want. Yeah, you can. It's we just deliver solution, and you deliver the content.
So it could be like an Android application?
Yeah, it can be point of service application or entertainment application, media content, yeah, everything.
And now it's kind of like video wall
Yep.
system.
Exactly. So now it's showing the video on these two screens. This is just a sample application that you provide. And the last one is the IoT capabilities. So here we have Astra that works as a external MCU that deliver AI capabilities and connection to the cloud. So here now, since I unplugged the Navarro dock, it shows the connect USB splash screen to inform user that he has some problems in the connection. But this can be using our sample application. We can now demonstrate how it can be.
You can customize it.
Yeah, we can customize it and drive the content here. So just let me open the app. Yeah, okay. So here we have the sample cloud manager. So here I can add some text on this splash screen. So let's say, yeah, here we have a window to show text. Yeah, you can see it. I can change the location of the text. It's just...
And this potentially you could control thousands of the screens in a big company.
Exactly. You can send text to each orchestration separately. Just the imagination what you want to show it. You can change also the content, the picture. So that's all driven from the cloud and connected through this I2C connection between the dock and the Astra.